I want to talk about these wireless lavalier mics that the brand sent me to do a video on. You can see right here, you get two of them. If you're looking for something to step up your audio game with your content production, you might want to give these a shot. Now, as far as range, this thing works pretty good. You can see I'm probably about 50 feet or so from the camera, from where the receiver is, and you can hear me absolutely fine. This is also omnidirectional, so you don't need to have it right here. If you've got people around you, it's going to bring up that sound as well. So if you're looking for a great option to step up your audio game on your content, you might want to give these a shot.
Now, one thing to note, depending on what type of phone case you have, you might need a USB-C extender. You can see right here, I've got an OtterBox, and I needed a little bit more runway to be able to hook it up.
So what do you get? What's in the box? Well, you get two of these. You only see one because I'm wearing the other one right now. Two lavalier mics. Right on the back, there's a little area for a clip. Two clips included. So you just slide this right on here, and you can put this right on your clothing if you like. I like to just hold it and use it. You get a USB-C to USB charging cable. Right here, you get an adapter. This is a lightning adapter. So if you have an older iPhone, it's going to be extremely helpful. You get two more tops for your mics. And also you get a handy little case to keep everything together.
If you'd like to pick up a mic for yourself, click on the link in the description below.